And that's why I would like to talk about how do we get enough quality data, and especially how does Synera help there. Now, the first thought that comes to the mind is, do we really need programming for all this high quality data generation? And programming does have some advantages. So you can use scripts to tackle a wide range of data and problem types. There are so many powerful libraries for analysis and visualization. But for us engineers, it's also very time consuming to learn all these things, and setting even the first POC can be very tough. And then like all software systems, you need to maintain these, you need to keep on updating them so everything stays in use. And to be honest, not all engineering tasks require programming. They can automate a lot of it. Yes, they are still powerful, but we really have to think, is programming the only way? And along with this programming issue, there is also a unique error that we have in our space, and that is most of our data is not actually AI or machine learning ready. We work with a lot of file formats, different CAT formats, different CAE formats, spreadsheets, images, whatnot. And all of this, again, have to be somehow machine learning ready, which is unfortunately not. And with such high volume of data, there is also huge complexity in visualizing or using these data sets. And that means someone has to sit and look at each data to label what kind of data is this working or not working, is this useful or not. And as you might already know, you can think of Synera also helping you automate all of these processes. So Synera already has a lot of data structure capabilities that you may find in any Python number processing packages. There's also already extensive marketplace that has add-ins like RunFMU, to connect ROMs, or even all CAT connectors. And for us engineers, what's really important is the visualization. So we have to look at the data, we have to look at our models, and then Synera also is just a workflow. Therefore, you can streamline all your maintenance and updates. And of course, if you want some extremely powerful capabilities out of the box, we can always integrate some scripts there. And this is why Synera is your perfect tool to actually create engineering relevant, high quality and high volume data. So what we can do is, as a workflow is already parameterized, so you can run a design exploration to create thousands of data on this, and then you can also clean them. What's also really important is not always all data is parameterized. So maybe you have some data that was not even done in a Synera workflow, but we still would like to get something out of it. What we can also do is convert this unparameterized data into some kind of numbers that we can later parameterize. I will show a demo how to do this. And the last step is to somehow put all of this data into one place so that it's not a new 10 Excel folder that's lying somewhere. So we really want to connect all of this and make sure our data is connected so that we build machine learning models with best accuracy.